Hi, today we're going to show you how to compare the cost of living in two different cities using the search tool WolframAlpha. To begin, we need to go to our internet browser and enter the web address www.wolframalpha.com. From here, we are directed to the WolframAlpha webpage, where we can see a large search field at the top of the screen, which is then followed by a selection of different categories, each of which is represented by a rectangular icon. In order to find the section that contains the cost of living comparison tool, we need to open the section labeled SocioEconomic Data, which we can see is right here. From here, we are directed to a page with three columns, which are demographics, economic data, and social statistics. We are going to click on the More Examples link beneath the economic data, and on the following page, we are going to see the section labeled Cost of Living, which we can see right here. The example that they use for here is to compare St. Louis, Missouri and San Francisco, California, and to ask specifically how much money one would need to earn in San Francisco to make the equivalent of $42,500 in St. Louis. Once we see this example, we are going to click on it. From here, we are taken to a list of comparisons between the two cities. We're shown comparisons of different cost of living examples, such as groceries, housing, transportation, median home prices, which is right here, population of the urban area, the metro area, the city population, unemployment rates, etc. If we go back up to the top of the page, right here, we can see that in order to maintain the same lifestyle that a salary of $42,500 allows in St. Louis, one would need to make $90,000 a year in San Francisco. That's more than double. You can see there's various other information on here. You can enlarge. Some of the options are limited to only if you have the Pro. But thanks for listening, and hopefully this has given you at least a preview of the various information resources that are available on WolframAlpha.